Transform your Squarespace website into a content powerhouse by adding a captivating blog with this step-by-step guide. First, let's get your blog set up within your existing Squarespace. Navigate to your website's backend, and in the left-hand menu, click on Pages. This is where we'll add your new blog section. At the bottom of your Pages panel, you'll see a plus icon. Click this to add a new page, and then select Blog from the available options. This will create your dedicated blog space. Now, let's customize your blog's look. Squarespace offers a variety of layout options like grid, list, and magazine. Click on the gear icon next to your blog title. To access its settings here, you can choose a layout that best suits your content and brand aesthetic, and adjust general display settings. Creating your first blog post is straightforward. Hover over your blog section in the Pages panel, and click the plus icon to add a new post. You'll be taken to the blog post editor. Start by giving your post a compelling title that grabs attention and clearly communicates its topic. Next, dive into writing your content. Use the rich text editor to format your text with headings, subheadings, bolding, and italics to make your post easy to read and visually appealing. Don't forget to break up large blocks of text with paragraphs. Visuals are crucial for engagement. Click the Upload button to add relevant images or videos to your post. High-quality media can significantly enhance your reader's experience and help convey your message. To ensure people find your amazing content, optimize it for search engines in the post editor's sidebar. Look for SEO settings. Here, you can write a descriptive meta title and meta description that will appear in search results also. Configure your social sharing image for when your post is shared on social media. You can also organize your posts with categories. Simply type a category name into the Categories field for even more control. Use the scheduling feature to set a future publication date for your posts, helping you maintain a consistent publishing rhythm. Once your post is published, it's time to promote it. Share your blog link across your social media channels, in your email newsletters, and encourage engagement by replying to comments directly on your blog. Regularly check your Squarespace analytics to see which posts are performing best. By following these simple steps, you'll have a dynamic and engaging blog on your Squarespace website, ready to attract and connect with your audience. Happy blogging!